Hi, this is Jason here at Russ Darrow Mazda, located at 3520 South 108th Street in Greenfield, Wisconsin. This is the February month, the month of love, the month where we celebrate Valentine's Day. And some of the things that you can do to show your vehicle that you love it, that you care about it, is to schedule yourself a service appointment. The service appointment is so important for your vehicle because you're going to have the brake pads checked. You're going to have the oil filter checked, cabin filter checked. You're going to have your oil levels checked. You're going to have your tires checked. There's so many different things you can do, which is called preventative maintenance. You're taking care of your vehicle to ensure that it's running smoothly and safely all the year long. So come on board this month. Show your vehicle you love it. Show your vehicle that you care. Schedule yourself a service appointment. You call us here at 414-329-5800 or stop onto our store here at 3520 South 108th Street in Greenfield, Wisconsin. Take care and we'll look for you on the lot. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.